What you are seeing is not a scene from an action movie. This is the moment Officer Rayan Lawrence fought for his survival while being dragged across the asphalt at high speed. How did a routine traffic stop for a simple registration violation turn into an attempted murder in just a matter of seconds? Let us turn back the clock. Our story takes us to the 300 block of West Franklin Street in Baltimore. The date is January 7th, 2026. At 8:28 p.m., Officer Rayan Lawrence spots a vehicle with a suspended registration. It is a minor administrative issue, the kind of stop officers make a dozen times a week.
So you want to switch in the seat? How you doing?
Hello, sir. My name is Officer Lawrence. Everything's audio and visual recorded. I pulled you over because your registration is suspended.
Oh, yeah. This is my girlfriend car.
Okay.
David wants her.
Can I have your driver's license and registration?
Sure.
This is actually going to be a landlord too. Just give it
Reaching the glove to get registry.
Sure. Is there any weapons or drugs in the vehicle?
As Officer Lawrence approaches, the driver, Marquise Wells, plays his part perfectly. His tone is respectful, his movements are slow, and he even offers a plausible story about the car belonging to his girlfriend. But in the world of high-stakes policing, extreme politeness can be a tactical diversion designed to mask a much darker reality.
What is it, because of our insurance?
I have no idea. I'd have to check. And if you're driving the vehicle, you're responsible to make sure that everything is good while operating the vehicle. So, okay, I'll be right back.
As Officer Lawrence runs the vehicle registration, he is operating on limited information. At this stage, he has no way of knowing who or what is truly inside that car. For Wells, the wait is a high-stakes gamble as a routine check begins to pull back the curtain on his hidden reality.
Get it situated because the next time you stop, the vehicle will be towed.
Okay.
The encounter is nearly over. Officer Lawrence has already decided to let Wells go with a warning.
Appreciate that.
What is that right there?
What? This right here?
No, on your waistband.
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing, sir.
That right there is not nothing. What is that?
Nothing, sir.
Stop playing with me. What is that?
I'm not playing with you.
What is that?
I don't want no crimes.
What is that?
It's nothing, sir.
Are you armed?
No.
So what is that?
It's just a clip, sir.
A clip of what?
It's clipping nothing. It's just a clip.
Nah.
But as he reaches out to return the documents, the flashlight catches something the driver tried desperately to hide: a protruding object in the waistband. In an instant, the professional courtesy evaporates, replaced by a deadly game of chicken.
I swear.
Put those over there.
Yeah.
Put those over there. Do not reach.
I swear to
Do not. I'm gonna reach in.
Problems, bro.
I'm gonna reach in and I'm gonna check what it is.
Okay.
All right.
Okay,
Do not put your hand there.
Okay.
Don't put your hand there. Keep your hand up.
I swear, my hand is up, bro. It's just a clip, bro.
The dust has not even settled. Within seconds, Officer Lawrence has gone from a routine patrol to surviving a high-speed dragging. While his body is flooded with adrenaline, his mind must now pivot to tactical recovery. he is no longer just an officer on a traffic stop. He is a survivor of an attempted murder.
One four. I need more units in my location. Yeah. One four. Discharging. I need more units. Yeah.
The escape was short-lived. Wells eventually arrived at a nearby hospital seeking treatment for his injuries, only to find the law waiting for him. He now faces a litany of charges, including first-degree assault. For Officer Lawrence, the physical wounds may heal, but the memory of those 10 seconds will remain. This case leaves us with a haunting question about police tactics. When Officer Lawrence saw the weapon, should he have retreated and waited for backup? By reaching into the vehicle, did he inadvertently give Wells the opportunity to use the car as a weapon? It is a fine line between proactive policing and unnecessary risk. What would you have done in that split second? Tell us in the comments, and if you appreciate this deep dive, subscribe for more tactical breakdowns.